Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide location on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just go to the profile option on your top right corner, and then from here go to settings again on the top right corner, and now go to safety and privacy. Now you can see over here which says location option. Just go over here, and then so over here it says use my location. So use your location data to find friends nearby. So it's currently turned off, so that means you are hiding your location. If you turn on, your location will be revealed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.